Good morning to all and welcome to our school. I am Mr. Vidya Demari, principal of Ambare Batu English High Secondary School. Today here I am very happy to announce regarding the status result. That is 10th April 2026 SSC result was declared and by division SF Division 1 and 86 number of students had appeared in the SLC final examination and among 86 students could able to pass in the examination and we have the 100% result. Here I like to tell the parents of our locality of the Sanjarinigal Simin Chapuri that from yesterday onwards we have distributed our forms for the arts and science stream. So the interested students of this our area and the parents of this area can take form from our institution and do admission for your children. They can take admission in arts or science stream both. But the subject for science stream we have physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, ML as a Bodo, Assamese, and the alternative English. At the same time, for arts, we have subjects like English, ML as a Bodo, Assamese, alternative English, economics, political science, logic and philosophy, education, etc. etc. The parents can choose the institution Ahambare Batu English School with the fearless thoughts where our school will nurture your children, your sons and daughter with a good atmosphere, regular classes, hostel facility available and the separate teachers for separate subjects and special care for the weaker section students. So as you know that Ahambare Batu English School is one of the institutions where every year we will have number of students with a success career. From this institution onwards, the students qualify JEE, NEET examination, and some of them got job also in the various departments. Many of them became teacher and many other government services. So every year we have a good number of students qualified in varieties of interviews or exam. So not only teaching in the subject, but we train up the student to choose their career. So dear parents, without fearless thought, you can give admission to your children with a less price but good education. So I myself, principal of the institution, assure that you will have the good result, you will have the best result in this area. So please come and join with us. Thank you.